Hey guys, welcome to another video here on Dirt Hammers Off-Road Media. Today I want to do a quick video review about my rough country grab handles that I've installed in my 2015 Wrangler JKU. Now when I bought these rough country grab handles for my Jeep, I caught a lot of flack on Facebook and Instagram, social media and stuff like that. People like, oh, you paid too much. I wouldn't put anything rough country on my Jeep. But I tell you, I'm 100% satisfied with the price that I paid for the grab handles, and I'm also 100% satisfied with the quality of the product, and I have no problem with it. So let's take a look at them. Okay, so here's the front grab handles that go in the up in the corners of the A-pillars. I went with red in color. They offer a lot of different colors. We'll take a look at some of the ones in the back. You know, similar design. There's a lot of these that you'll find on Amazon and other places like that, similar design and maybe half the cost. Okay, so now I want to show you how to get in and out of your Jeep using the rough country grab handles and the proper way to get in and out. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you take your outside leg. Okay, the outside leg, you want to place it up on your step. Hopefully you got step bars. It's going to make entry and exit a whole lot easier on a lifted Jeep. So you want to take your outside leg, you want to take your inside arm, grab a hold of the grab handle, step up and pull up, take your outside leg, put it in, and rotate your hips. Now bring your outside leg in. The whole reason for using the inside arm is you'll see how it supports my body across like this as I pivot and sit down. Now, to get out of the Jeep, you're going to take the same arm, take your outside leg, put it out on your step, and then this will pull your body up, out, and across the seat. Step out. Okay guys, so a couple of more things about the rough country grab handles is the installation was pretty straightforward. It did come with instructions, but it's pretty straightforward the way they mount. The hardware is really nice. The powder coat's really good. So I'm really happy with the quality of them. I could not complain whatsoever. I think it's a pretty good product, and for the $89.99 or $89.95 that I paid for them, I'm pretty happy. Like I said, they are some cheaper units out there on the market, but you know, I'm pretty satisfied with these, and I'm satisfied with the price I paid, and the quality's good. Okay guys, so there's just a quick little look, or kind of like a product review of the rough country grab handles, and just a little information on how to properly get in and out of your lifted Jeep. I see a lot of people they turn, pivot, and they just slide out, and after a while that breaks down the seat. But thanks for watching, and once again I'll leave some information for the rough country grab handles down in the description. And like I said, I'm satisfied with them 100%. I think it's a good product. I was happy with the price. The shipping was free, and I can't argue with that. So until next time, make sure you subscribe, and so you can keep up with some upcoming Jeep content. Thanks.